Northland JCB has had a dedicated Livelink champion since 2015. In the last year at Northland JCB through Livelink, we've expanded. We've added the Uptime Center. We've added dedicated Uptime Center personnel who monitors it for all 6 of our branches. We also have been a little more proactive in reaching out to customers, not waiting so much for the emails to come through, but we actually use the notification screens and our dashboard now that they've added to Livelink. Livelink champion for Northland, his day-to-day responsibilities are to monitor any incoming alerts as they come through on emails, monitor any notifications. We can preemptively reach out to the customer. Also run background reports to see when services are going to be coming due and make sure the customer's machines are up and running at all times. From January 2018 till June of 2018, our Northland Uptime Center has been able to generate almost $200,000 in revenue between services and repairs that have been done. The customers do appreciate the Uptime Center. They appreciate the Livelink champion because we do reach out to them prior to their machine actually breaking down. We remind them of their services being due and make sure that they're taken care of before they even know they have a problem sometimes. Livelink helps the salesman during their sales process with the customer because it helps to show the customer the support levels that they're going to receive. The customer knows that they're going to have someone watching out for their machine even when they're not there, not watching out themselves. Also lets them know that we're keeping an eye on it for security reasons too. We can track it if it ever went missing, we could track it down for them. We've had several examples in the past of using Livelink to get closer to the customers and really reach out and know what's going on with their machine, especially during snow removal season where there's independent contractors sometimes using their equipment. We have direct lines to see what's going on with that machine. We reach out to the customer themselves, make them aware of what's going on, and if a machine goes down, we can usually dispatch relatively quickly because we prepared for it and get that machine up and running before their independent contractor would even call in to let them know. So we've kept a lot of guys rolling through snowstorms when they weren't really expecting that level of service from us. Livelink Diagnostics is beneficial to the dealership, that we can all really take a look at and see exactly what's going on with that machine at any given time and what led up to what it was doing during the failure, prior to the failure. We work with the technicians very closely. I'm on the phone with them usually anytime we get a call after hours or during a storm. And those, we'll work together, try and figure out, using our experience, what we think it may be, how we can prepare for it, and making sure that they have everything they're going to need to do their job in the field. Having a dedicated Livelink champion at Northland, the biggest impact we've seen beyond the financial is the feeling of customer support that they have with us, the trust levels that the customers have with us, and the amount that we feel we've partnered with our customers to make sure that their machines are being taken care of at all times.